Hi everyone! So today we are going to be learning about the life cycle of a butterfly. So let me pull up the lesson real fast, but while I'm pulling this up, if you could please just all have the worksheet I handed out to you guys in class today in front of you for this lesson. Okay, so the objective of this lesson is to distinguish the different parts of a butterfly and to be able to develop a better understanding of the butterfly's life cycle. But before we begin, like I said before, if you could have the worksheet out in front of you, please, and complete it while this lesson goes along. And you are more than welcome to pause the lesson as many times as needed and rewind. All right, so on the screen you see there's a picture. This picture is a picture of the completed life cycle of a butterfly. In stage 1, it starts off as an egg. Stage 2, it becomes a caterpillar, or also known as a larva. In stage 3, this is the chrysalis stage, or also known as the pupa stage. And then in stage 4, a butterfly emerges. So in stage 1 is an egg. So what is an egg? The egg is a tiny round oval object. It usually has fine ribs and other structures to it. So in the egg stage, the female butterfly attaches the egg to leaves, stems, or other objects that are near the caterpillar's food. Also in stage 1, the caterpillar grows inside the egg. So then we move to stage 2, which is known as the larva stage, or also the caterpillar. The caterpillar is the long, worm-like stage of the butterfly, and as you can see in the picture, it often has interesting pattern of stripes or patches, and it may even have spine-like hairs. So also in stage 2, this is a stage where the caterpillar has to eat as much as it can. So the main food source for a caterpillar are leaves, and the purpose caterpillar eats so much is to store all of the food for the next stage. And also, in the stage, while the caterpillar grows, the caterpillar's skin sheds like a snake's skin does. So then we move to stage 3, which is known as the chrysalis stage, or also the pupa. And this is the transformation stage within which the caterpillar forms a protective shell around its body. So the reason it forms a protective shell around its body is so the caterpillar can be protected and form into a beautiful butterfly. So once the caterpillar reaches its fully grown stage, the shell will split open and then a butterfly will fly out. So then in stage 4, which is the last stage of a butterfly, is the adult stage. So the adult butterfly is very colorful, as you can see in the picture below. It is the reproductive and the final stage for the species. So when the wings of the butterfly are dry, the butterflies know that they need to look for food. So the food for the butterfly are usually nectar from plants. So as you can see on the screen, I have the picture of a butterfly and all the different parts of it. Now on the worksheet I handed out to you, which should be in front of you, you will see the same exact picture, but the words are blacked out. But then there is a word bank below the picture for you guys to fill out the parts of a butterfly. So I'm going to read you some different vocabulary words which are important, and these are also found on the butterfly. So first, we have the forewing. Now the forewing, as you can see in the picture below, there's an arrow pointed to it, and this is the largest part of the wing that sits in front of the other wing below it, which we will learn the name for the other wing in a couple of slides. So next we have the wing base. This is where the wings meet at the center of the butterfly's body, as you can see where the arrow is pointed. So this is in between the two of the wings. So next we have the antenna. Now, as we all know, an antenna is a movable stick attached to the butterfly's head that can detect wind and other smells around them. Next, we have the eye. We all know eyes are very important. So this is the part of the body that lets the butterflies see and be able to fly around. Next, we have the proboscis, and this is the nose of the butterfly. So as you can see in the picture below, it kind of looks like a little horn. Next, we have the thorax, and this is the part of the butterfly's body that connects the head and the abdomen together. And then next we have the abdomen. Now this is the tail of the butterfly's body. The abdomen contains the heart and the rest of the butterfly's organs. Then we have the margin, and the margin is the outer lining of the butterfly's wing. So as you can see where the arrow is pointed. Then we have the hind wing, which this is the second or the back wing of the butterfly. So this is below the forewing on a butterfly's body. Then we have the wingtip. Now the wingtip is the very tip of the butterfly's wing, as you can see where the arrow is pointed at the very top of the wing. So now we're going to get into stages. So as you all know, the first stage of a butterfly is the egg. And the egg, as I said before, is attached to leaves. Next, we have the caterpillar, which is the larval stage of a butterfly. Then we have the larva. This is also known as the caterpillar. So it's the second stage of metamorphosis, during which an insect is worm-like. So next, in stage 3, we have the chrysalis, or known as the pupa. So this is the third stage of metamorphosis for butterflies. So this is when the caterpillar forms into a butterfly, and once the caterpillar has reached its fully grown body, the chrysalis will split open and a beautiful butterfly will come out of it. So then, like I said before, the pupa is also known as the chrysalis, and it is the third stage of metamorphosis. So, what have we learned today? We have learned the 4 stages in a butterfly's life cycle, which are stage 1, the egg, stage 2, the caterpillar or larva stage, stage 3, the chrysalis or pupa stage, and then stage 4, the adult butterfly. So, what happens in each of these stages? So in stage 1, an egg is born. In stage 2, a caterpillar hatches from the egg. In stage 3, the caterpillar forms a chrysalis and prepares to change into a beautiful butterfly. And then in stage 4, a beautiful butterfly comes out of the chrysalis. So class, that is it for today, but please be prepared for tomorrow for an in-class activity and then as to follow an assessment, okay? So that is all I have for you guys today. So I hope you all have a very nice night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.